Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's lecture part 2, we will discuss how to store numerical, text and image data in a single HDF file. For short introduction and their structure, you can see the part 1 of this video. Hierarchical data format file allows to organize data within the file in many different structure ways. And it can store heterogeneous data. You can store a numerical data, text data, image data in a single file, and then you can load the particular data sets from the file without loading the entire file in the computer memory. So you can compress the data, you can slice the data. It supports different features that can be used during the data analysis. So let's say we start this. First of all, we import the required libraries, pandas, numpy and pil. This is basically image processing package for Python language. So we will use to load the image before saving into the HDF format. So first of all, we start with the numerical data set. This is a numpy 2-dimensional array with 4 rows and 3 columns. So first of all, we will save this numerical data. Here we create a file fm data with the mode A, so we can append the data. Here to create the storing numerical data, so we create a data set named num data. Now the data is created. To close the file, now to open the file for reading the above data sets, so we can run this. So it will be open the data in read only mode. The key is num data. So if we want to retrieve this data set, we can use the name of this data sets and then converting this data set into the numpy array. So it will show the following output. This is the num data set stored in the HDF file. Now to close the file. Storing image into HDF format. Here as an example, we are going to store the image sunflower JPG format into the HDF format in the same file in which we have stored the numerical data. So here we are opening the file in R+ mode, so we can read and write the file. We can append the data. Here we are using the open method of the image class to open the to load the image of the sunflower, and then we are going to convert this image into the array, numpy array. Basically image is a dimension matrix. If it is a gray image, then it is 2-dimensional array with the different gray values range from 0 to 255. And if it is a color image, so then it is a 3-dimensional array in which each matrix represent the colors red, green and blue, etc. So we call these channels. So here we are going to open the then to convert this, and then we store this data into the HDF file. So let's say we run this. So here image path is okay. To open the file, so here now the image stored in the HDF file. Now to open the HDF file for retrieving the image from that file, so here we are going to open the FM data HDF file. Then we are retrieving the image data sets which is related to the image stored in the, and then again we convert the data which is basically into the image from array method. From array method is used to convert the retrieved data into the image, and then we display that image here. So in this way we can save and retrieve the image from the HDF file. The first thing is to load the image, then to convert it to the NumPy array and save it in the HDF format using the create data sets, and after retrieving again we convert the data retrieved from the HDF file into the image, and again we display the image in this way. So we can retrieve different data set from the same file. For example, if we run this, so it will retrieve the num data set from the above. Similarly, if we change, for example, image data, we are using the same file, so it will retrieve the image from the HDF file like this, because here actually this is the three-dimensional array. So if we convert this into the image like in the above code from array to image, so we can display the image like this one. So actually this is the array, three-dimensional array in which there are three channels, one channel for each color. So here now to storing text in the HDF file, in the same file we want to store the text data. So here a list books and software. This is the Python list. Now first of all we convert into the NumPy array, and data type is object. You can also use the pandas data frame, and then that data frame can be stored in the HDF file. Here we are using the NumPy array, books, data type is object, and again software data. So to convert the list into the NumPy array of type object, and then we want to store the data into the HDF file. Now we can display, for example here we want to display the numerical data, so we can use the num data set name. If we change this to, for example, text data 1, so it will display the data set and retrieve only. Similarly, if we change this to data 2, so we can retrieve from the same file the text data data 2, and using the image data, for example. So image data here, it will retrieve the matrix, three-dimensional array. So you can convert this array into the image using the above code. So in this way we can store the text data, numerical data and image data in a single HDF file. In the next video we will discuss how to store numerical, text data and image data into pandas data. We will use the pandas for creating a HDF file. How to use the pandas data frame to store and retrieve the heterogeneous data. Thank you.